Today in this video we will show you how to extract data from PDF and TXT file, and from the data we can make a gist using OpenAI. So let's jump into the demo. First we will choose a file. Suppose let me share that file. If I have something, this is my file. This is my file. Here the oops concept is written, and it is a huge document, and I do not have so much of time to read each and every line from here. I want to take the gist from this one. So what I will do, I will upload this file in my application, and then I will get the gist. So first we have to choose this one, that file from this one, and then we will click on the generate notes. So using API we will generate the gist. This is now generating. What I am doing, I am using PdfPig, that is a Nuket package manager. It's a free one, and using this one I'm extracting data from text file or PDF file, and from that one that text I am sending to the OpenAI, and from that OpenAI I am directly generating only the gist from that document. So here you can see this is our document, the main document, and this is our gist. So in this way, suppose you have something to whatever maybe type of document you are that sales document or any whatever document you have put, the document I will collect from this one, and from extract process using PDF image as PDF pig, I will extract the text, and from that text I will generate this gist from OpenAI. So this is basically a automation. If anyone need, you can talk to me. So basically this is the things, this is the demo of this one. Now we will move into how we can create this one. This is a just simple interface. So let's move into that. So first we will create ASP.NET Core MVC application. And this is ASP.NET Core MVC application. Sorry. Node generator. Sorry, sim node generator. What an house. Need to configure HTTPS. So we will take as long-term support. No need to configure HTTPS. Let's create the project. Great. So my project is done. So first what we will do, first we will install the packages which we don't need. That means the PDF pig and the system.text.json. PDF pig, this one. one thing you can see here, from that you can use it one commercially, but if we go to the, yes, it's licensed under Apache 2.0. So we will install this one. Let's install this. Yes, installation is done. Now we have to add system.text.json. System.text.json. Install this one. This is also installed. So I will not do any line by line code. I will show you the process how I have implemented this one. First we will create the views for nodes. Nodes. We'll add index page and another we will add the result page. The result page one. So these will be my two views. Then I will add some models. I will add the required model on my current one. Here in this one, hierarchy model is there. I will add this one. So I need these two model. Now I need a nodes controller. This one I will add controller. Add nodes controller. So this is done. Now I will have to add my code from here. One thing I have to add a service section because we are using OpenAI services. So for this one I will create a service folder where I will put my OpenAI services. So let's create a name services, create a folder under this one, add services. Here we will add the OpenAI services. So first create the OpenAI services. Let's add it here. Now we have to import so here in the constructor we are providing all the details, that means the key. Later I will add the key on the app settings, so you will get where you have to add the app settings one. So this is the constructor, and after the constructor I will add a process through which we will generate the gist from the text file. So this is the method. So let me discuss this method. So here in this one, this is the OpenAI part section, that means the API which will generate the gist from the text. In this function we will provide the text, and using the OpenAI API we will create the text, that means the gist one from this one. So this is our OpenAI service related work, that means the automation will be done in our application through this one. So this is the process to calling this one to make a gist from the text we will provide. Now we will use the PDF pig to extract the particular text from a text file or from a PDF file. So let's jump into that one. So here in our nodes controller, this one is index. So what we will do, we will update the index part like this way, and we also have to use the services from here. Now so we are using OpenAI services, we are doing the dependency injection here, and we will use this service. So what we are doing here, we are adding we have already added a control where the text file or the PDF file will be uploaded, and from this one using the stream reader we are extracting the text, as you can see from here, using the stream reader, and that is the PDF document. This is from the UglyToad.PdfPig. So from this one we are extracting the text, and we have added this method to extracting for each and every fetches data. We are storing the data in the extracted text. Okay, so this is the process. So this part is for the PDF one. If I say for PDF extract to PDF extract, and this part is for the when we are uploading a text for text extraction, we simply read the file content, and if it is text, then extracted text will be collected from the text document, and if it is PDF, it will be collected in this one. And from this one where we are doing a method validation process, and after that we are calling the generate notes async. So this is the service I have already created for OpenAI, and we are passing this one. So if we go into the implementation, we'll move to this part. Okay, so this is the simple one. So using this one we are doing the automation, and using this part we are extracting the data. So in our application we have the extraction process, and the other process is the automation process. So this is why, that is the process how I have used the process to do the automation after extracting, and after that it will give the data. Now we have to add the CSHTML part. We will add the CSHTML from here. In this document we have to add this one. We will add this one. Here we go. Generator underscore CA. So here is our model, and here what we are doing, we are putting a uploader and then a submit button, and then if there are any error we will show this one, if not then nothing. And then on the result page we have to add the HTML part. So for the result page we will add this one. Nothing too fancy, I have just passed this one, and from that model the generated notes will be shown here. First in the AI notes will be shown as I have seen you on the demo, and then on the latter part of the page we will show the original text. So this is the basic process we are following. Now we have to make some update on our program file also. So let me jump into that, the program.cs. So in our program.cs we have to make some updates. So this one is our program.cs file. Now it's a add service to the control. Now we will update these. We have to update this one. So let's jump into that. We have to add this one. Okay, build environment development, static files, use routing, static files, nothing. Well, authorization is not needed right now, so we will mute the on, and we will run the notes one from the notes one. So we will change that from the notes one. So this is our process. Now in the app settings we will add our key. We have to add the key on the app settings. So let's move into the app settings, and here we have to add our key. So I have already generated an OpenAPI key. If anyone want to know how to generate this one, you can mention on the video I will show you, or I will create a demo how to create the OpenAI secret key. So this is the basic secret key. Now what we will do, let's run this application and see what happens. Yes, so here is our uploader. We have to choose file from here and generate nodes. Now let's choose a file. I have already shown this one, so let's open this file, and now I will debug the code. So for the debugging I have to go to the nodes controller. Let's one by one. Okay, I have added the plain text, and for the AI service I have to go the OpenAI one and this one. So let's generate nodes. Yes, here we come. F10. We have already a file uploaded, so no error. If we go, it will read using stream reader. You can see from here, just see all the text mentioned in the text file we have collected in the extracted text. Now there is no PDF, so we will check. If it is null, then could not read file content, we'll give a simple message. Now we have data, we'll move this one. Now we will move to the AI related part, that is the automation. Now let's jump into that. As you can see, we have already got the key one from here, constructor. Now let's try to generate the bulleted or the gist points from this one, and let's run it. Yes, let it check. Yes, what we have got, we have got success, it's true. Now this is our result, it's okay. So we are getting 2000, and now we will read the content from here. Okay, so if there are some error, we are handling this error in this way. Otherwise, that the JSON element, so we are passing this through result, and here result. Yes, you can check here, this is the gist from that document. Okay, so it's appointed, there was lots of things on that document, and we have got just the gist from that one. So it will really help you if you are a student or whatever maybe, and you are going to a meeting, you need just the gist from a document. You can use this process and make the gist from that one. So 10, and if we run this one, just see, first we are showing the notes which we have generated from AI, then the main text file. This is the text file. So this process is just for show you how the text file works. Now if we want to check same thing from the PDF, what we have to do, we have to open the file, we have to generate a PDF. What we will do now, we will test with the same thing with the PDF. So for this one I have created the content from the PDF. So I have created a PDF with the same content what was there in the text document. So this is my PDF, and let's open this one and generate notes. Now run this one. 5, now F10. Now we will check how we are getting the data. Yes, that means we have got all the things from page 1 document, page 2 document, page 3. So all the things are there. We have collected all the things from there. Now we will pass this one, then we are passing this one. So let's pass it. Now let's create by OpenAI. Yes, so what is status true? That means already status code 200. It's passed. Now yes, just see, this is the output from the PDF, and here is the text of the PDF. So you can also see that what the document you have give to the application and what you have got as a gist of this one. So this is the basic demo of this application. If anyone want this automation, you can contact me. So that's it. Hope this will help you, and if you have any question regarding this one, you can obviously ask me. So have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe for this type of video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So in the near future you will get more videos of this type of automation and something automation tool I am exploring, and I will share the things with you. So that's all from me, and thank you for watching.